All right, I'm going to share with you just a quick strategy to try and match equations with their graphs. So first of all, we have three equations here. We'll look at the first one, y equals 3x plus 3, and try and think about which line here, line A, B, or C, might match it. So what we can do is take a look at this line and maybe plug in a few values, like let's take 0, 1, and 2 and plug them into our equation. So 3 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is going to be 3. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 3 is 6. And lastly, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 3 is 9. You might notice a pattern, they go up by 3's. So you want to find these points, 0, 3. X is 0, y is 3. Hey, it's a point on this graph. X is 0, y is 3. It's a point not on this graph. So B doesn't work for our first equation. 0, 3. Looks like this one could also be a candidate. So let's take our second point. 1, 6. 1, 6. Not on our line. Well, let's check our last one over here. 1, 6. It's a point on this line. So this one didn't work. This one must be our candidate. We've got the first line, y equals 3x plus c, must be graph C. Our last one that we're going to look at before the process of elimination will leave the last graph for this equation here is x plus y equals 3. So let's make a quick table of values for x and y. Substitute them in. All right, when x is 0 plus y, what is going to give us 3? Y must be 3. Hey, that's our point here again. It could be either of those. Next, let's do x equals 1. 1 plus y equals 3. Y must be 2. Let's find that point here. X equals 1, y is 2. Doesn't appear to be on the line. X equals 1, y equals 2. It is on the line. That means that this one doesn't work, but graph A is going to match with this equation, leaving us with the lonely equation, y equals 3x minus 3, to match with graph B. You can check the points out on your own.